Hi there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I'm on a 2018 Cruisers Yachts 35 Express. Got a nice big hardtop with shade on it. This boat is immaculate clean. It's got 98 hours on the 8.2 liter Mercruiser 430 horsepower joystick, SkyHook, all that. Generator's got the same hours on it. They fired up everything together and kept it running that way. If you haven't been on this boat, it's an express cruiser, so you got a permanent seat on the back, which I like, sea deck throughout the whole boat. But this is also power. So if you want a flat sun lounge, all you do is you come over here, you push a button, you're going to lower the sunbed down or raise it up when you're done. How convenient and easy is that? But you walk in, I got a refrigerator, storage, there's a sink, trash can is right there. You do have a nice seating up here for the passenger. That is right by the driver's helm seat, and that's double wide with double flip-up bolsters on the side. Really good looking dash on it. It's got Raymarine screen on it. It's got radar on it, the depth finder, and everything you're going to want and need. I like Cruisers Yachts. Put some speakers up top so it pushes sound down on you. You don't have to crank up the volume to hear it as well. It does have camper canvas. It's in a storage box right now. You see the zippers going around the whole top of the hardtop. Outside upholstery is in phenomenal shape, great shape. It does have a stereo upgrade on it, some JL speakers, amps, and subs. Sounds good. Nice swim platform across the back we saw. Stereo control on the back side. Here's something they did I really like too. Getting up to the bow, molded in steps. And what that did is they got rid of the catwalk on the side of the boat to give you more room in the cockpit. Where do you want the space? Do you want a walkway on the side? Or do you want room in the cockpit where you're going to spend 99% of your time? I say cockpit. So to get up to the bow, you don't climb on the door. You go ahead and just step on these molded in steps with a nice stainless steel grab handle here. Easy to clear the hardtop. Two big old sun pads on there. I got them tilted up right now. You got 3 opening hatches, nice remote control spotlight. The windlass is all hidden down below the hatch so nobody's stubbing their toes on it. Look at that big old sunbed. Backrest up or down, however you want it. Great looking hardtop. See electronics on the top. Let's walk through the cabin. Clean. You can see the cockpit. There's a double wide helm seat, bolster seats on it. The companion seat. They upgraded some lights to LED blue. You see an upgraded sub right there. Walking on down. Let's take a look at the dash while we're here. You got the Mercury digital throttles on it, smooth and easy to drive. There's my joystick with SkyHook, Auto Hook, trim tabs on it, remote control for the spotlight, Raymarine screen. You can customize, show whatever you want on there. There's the vessel view, all the Mercury information. Other switches, panels look great, seats look great, upholstery looks great. Here's something Cruisers Yachts does that I really like too. How about it's fall and you don't need the generator and air on. Close the screen door, you still talk to people down there. Slow down the cold air from leaving, but no bugs are going in. That's really cool. To the cabin. Nice wood floor, easy steps to get in. It's nice and cool down here. Center line bed is forward. Get on and off from either side. Nice closets, good storage, on either side. You got a hatch right there for ventilation or close it up with a built-in screen. Storage, windows with screens. Another closet space there. TV is over the galley, but it can rotate and face towards the forward V-berth. Stovetop, microwave, fridge, great storage. Over on the starboard side, we're going to get our salon sofa, makes into a bed, table, great cabinetry work, speakers are hidden behind the cloth, fusion stereo system, control panels easy to get to right there, and a great mid-cabin, right? There's a return air for the AC down here. That's a table you can put up down below if you remove these filler cushions. Otherwise, it's a big bed. I got pictures of that made as a bed. Check those out. You do have some natural light coming in down here with blinds, reading lights, air vents. This upholstery looks like it's never been used. Clean, clean, clean boat. Let's check out the head. Nice wet head, so a molded fiberglass flooring on it. Vacuum flush on there. You got a separate shower, a little wand to hold it. Craig Neer's on there. Hey, how you doing? Some backsplash on there. Really nice, well designed, solid wet head. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. This boat's on Lake Louisville, out here in a private slip at Pier 121 Marina. If you want to see this boat or any of the other ones MarineMax has available, go to marinemax.com. Or on this boat, please reach out to me directly. Appreciate it. Thank you.